NRA 2024, and we're here. We made it. We found the masters of the pizza universe, PizzaMaster. Hey, they have the largest electric deck oven range in the world. So many different configurations, so many different sizes, and it's, you know what it's about, the old world flavor with modern technology. And we get a special treat for you today. The professor himself, the true PizzaMaster, is in the house, Chef Tony. He's cooking up some good stuff for us today. Let's see him in action.
The carpet moment, I'm sorry.
Not my carpet.
Thank you. Yeah. Guys, I just had a little powwow with Thomas Keller, one of the greatest living chefs, globally speaking. I had the chance today at the National Restaurant Show to make them pizza, and not just out of any oven, but really the industry leader in terms of pizza ovens, PizzaMaster. You've got Swedish technology, Italian ingenuity, and American pizzas coming out of it, guys. Right now, we're gonna make a pizza that is inspired by one of my mentors, Tony Gemignani. This is a Americano-style Kinotto. Kinotto is like a gondola or a canoe going around a river, right? And it has that name because of the super pronounced, very raised outer cornicione, crown, or outer crust. And that's what we're gonna produce with this New York style dough today that my World Pizza Champion teammate Lee Hunziker made. He's a phenomenal pizzaiolo, a dough wizard, and it's really a blessing for me to be able to cook his dough in these ovens. So let's get after it, guys. Got some fresh halved cherry tomatoes here. We're almost doing a play on a margarita. A Neapolitan style meets a New York style. We call this Kinotto Americana. Using really high quality dough here, and so this is really an exercise in simplicity. Less is more, right? So I tell my Tinder dates, less is more, ladies, less is more.
All day. All day, bro. Hot.
You can go back corner and release. I mean, look at it, it's so dialed in. We've got independent top and bottom heat control, so we can really put an exact ratio of where we want to concentrate that heat. We can determine how much steam do we want in our bake. Right now, I want a lot of steam in my bake, so I'm gonna close the flue, allow the steam to build up in the cavity of the oven, and near the end of the bake, I'll release it so we get a nice crispy exterior. I don't have these bells and whistles on some of the other ovens that we have in our lineup, and I wish I did, so we'll see if we can switch them over by the end of this show. So when we talk about whole structure, when we talk about digestibility, this is what we're talking about. This is what we're looking for. This is the product of, what, several days of fermentation here, Lee?
Yeah, 3 of them.
3 days of fermentation. If I had to guess, probably a little sourdough starter in there. And yeah, a whole lot of water and a whole lot of love. So let's get into it, guys. We're gonna anoint it with some post-bake toppings here. Of course, some fresh basil. Picked it this morning and put it in this bag. All right, guys, you're not gonna get this kind of control, versatility out of another oven. We're able to do Italian-inspired pizzas with New York or American-style crunch, really able to control the whole structure and the digestibility of the pizza. The flue traps the steam when we're looking to get that initial oven spring or lift out of the dough, and then we release that steam near the end of the bake so we get a nice crispy crust. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks.
Absolutely. Thank you, Chef.